Adding value to a business can do a number of things, such as drive sales and customer loyalty, justify price increases, keep your business competitive, increase investment and lending opportunities, boost your business reputation. But adding value to a business is easier said than done. How do you do it? In this video, I'll explain some tips and tricks that you can use to add value to your business. So, how can a business add value? First, what exactly is valuable to customers? To answer that, we have to look at what consumers are looking for in a product or service. Here are a few things consumers may find valuable in a business and its offerings: reasonable price, quality products or services, outstanding user experience, helpful customer service, transparency and authenticity, reliable information, for example a blog or free guides. So, now let me share with you some tips and ideas that will definitely help you to add value to your business. My first tip for you is to gather feedback. Your first step in adding business value is to put the time and energy into finding out what's valuable to your target audience. You can do this by gathering feedback from current, past, or even potential customers. One of the best ways to gather actionable feedback from consumers is through tailored surveys. Distribute surveys in person, via email, on your website, and on your social media profiles. If you want to add business value, ask open-ended questions like, what would you improve? How did your experience fall short? What can our customer service team do better? Could you tell us a little bit about what you're looking for in our product or service? Categorize input from customers and leads based on their responses. For example, put all the responses saying you need to improve customer service together and all the responses saying you need to fix your product together. That way, you know what's most valuable to the greatest number of consumers. The second tip is to prioritize your product or service quality. One way you can bring more value to your customers is by providing better quality products. To do this, you may need to switch suppliers or spend some extra money. You might also consider buying wholesale for small businesses to keep costs as low as possible as you up the quality. Of course, you don't want to affect your business's net profit negatively. In some cases, businesses increase product or service quality in conjunction with raising prices. If you do this, explain your decision to raise prices by emphasizing the added value you're giving customers. By improving the quality of your products or services, you may find your speed falling sharply. But wait, don't businesses also add value by speeding things up? So if you prioritize quality, will you also be sacrificing speed? Well, you don't have to. My third tip for you is to bring more employees. If you want to add value to your business in the form of speed, bring on new employees. Extra hands on deck can help you with all your time-related needs, including time on hold on phone or chat, site speed, shipping speed, how long it takes to make a product, the time it takes to solve a customer dispute. Hiring new employees can help you cut down on the time it takes your business to accomplish tasks. At the same time, you can improve your ability to deliver quality products and services to your customers. The fourth tip is to add some personalization. Personalization is one of those things that can really set you apart from your competitors. And it can stick with customers long after their shopping experience. Not sure how personalization and value go together? According to our researches, 71% of customers get frustrated when a shopping experience isn't personalized. Not to mention, 91% are more apt to shop at places that provide personalized offers and recommendations. When looking to add business value, personalize everything you can think of. You can personalize discounts, emails, print marketing materials, and customer service. I also recommend that you establish a customer loyalty program. Another way you can add business value is by giving customers more value in the form of a customer loyalty program. A small business loyalty program rewards customers when they spend more or shop more frequently at your company. You might reward customers with free merchandise, discounts, or even advanced access to products or events. My last tip for you is to try new things. You have to know that adding business value boils down to being willing to try new things. Whether it's switching suppliers, adding convenient shopping options, for example shopping or delivery, or unveiling a product or service, be willing to experiment with your business's formula. In the end, I would love to thank you for having the time to watch my video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. Also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below.